Hello. In honor of Earth Day, I thought I would show you something that I have repurposed utilizing materials I have had plus polymer clay. And this is a tribute to the West Pasco Art Guild and the training that I've received. So I have a large Pringles can and a small Pringles can, all covered in polymer clay. Of course, I had to put some translucent clay stained glass windows all around. And for the door, the handle here is the top of a Christmas ornament. This is an earring loop. Inside I have scrapbook paper. And then I have steps that are actually shingles. So of course the angels are able to fly, or if they're tired they can walk up the steps. She's made of polymer clay, and then DMC floss crocheted thread for her wings. And of course she needs a nice colorful rug because it gets cold sometimes. And then upstairs, let me turn my light back on. Oops. You can see there's a bed and another angel resting. I hope you enjoyed this tribute to how we can repurpose things and make them fun. And thanks to my husband, he put hinges on this for me. He's been a great asset to the team. Have a great day.